I had $11 in my account and a car payment due in 2 days when I got the idea that changed everything. For months, my beat-up Civic had been home, usually parked behind the all-night diner where I washed dishes from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. Breakfast was whatever leftover toast the cooks didn't want if I was lucky. Lunch and dinner were a bag of dry rice I kept in the glove compartment, eaten plain with maybe a dash of soy sauce if I'd splurged 70 cents that week. My other gig was painting fences for a landlord, cash under the table, just enough for gas to get to the next fence. The car payment loomed a constant dull ache. One morning, standing at the bus stop, exhausted, I saw a crumpled flyer stuck to the pole, HVAC certification evening classes. It wasn't a sudden revelation, no grand plan, just a small faded piece of paper advertising something practical, a trade.